Hi everybody, it's Wendy Lee and I'm back with a haul today. Today I wanted to share a haul that I did on the Coco and Reno website. I love their dyes. They're so easy to use, they're affordable, and they have such cute designs. So I do have their monthly subscription, which I have the latest one to show you today. The most recent subscription came in, but then there are 3 other things that I had purchased from the website that I wanted to share with you. So let's start with the most recent subscription. Let me know if you guys want, like, if I ever show you dyes and you want to know what they look like actually, like how they cut, like what they would look like after they cut something, let me know and I'll cut them for you. Maybe in the future I can try to do that ahead of time before videos, but right now I'm not there yet. So the most recent subscription that came out was for, is this April or May? I think this was May's, and it's called Travel. So it has a bunch of cute little like travel themes. So we've got a camera, and what does this say? I think this says adventure, but I'm not sure. It's hard to tell. Don't know what that says. There's a ticket and another word that I do not know what that says. Let's see. We've got this. I'm gonna look it up on their website, you guys. I'm gonna see if I can see what these say. Hold on. Okay, I've got it in front of me. Okay. So this one says explore more, and it's like in a little frame. And what do these ones say? Let's see. Oh, okay, so one of them, yeah, this one does say adventure. And then this one right here says vacation. And this one says weekend. It was hard to tell. Okay, so then this cute little globe and these glasses. And we've got this cute little suitcase, and it says I love travel with little hearts. And then this cute little marker, like it's kind of like a we are here marker type thing, like a marker on a map. It's got like a little heart. Then there's the airplane and the travel bag, and then the car. So I thought that was so cute. I love that little set. So there's that one. Then I also got this 4-pocket folder, which I thought was really cute. You can see the picture there, that this is what it will look like when it's done. So you'll have those 2 pockets there, and you can slip things in there. Just makes it really easy for you. Then I saw this little mini book, and I thought this was super cute. I'll open it up so you can see all the little goodies that come with it. Oops, I dropped one on the floor. Hold on. Hold the phone. There it is. Okay, so here is like the frame for the book, if you will. Then it has this cute tag. And it has this, which I think makes a little pocket on the book if I'm not mistaken. you've got this cute little like border, and then you've got like this cute little like page divider that you can cut out and like make dividers in the book. Then you've got, is this a pocket? Hold on guys, I'm gonna look. I don't want to tell you the wrong thing. No, it is a pocket. Okay, I was right. Yeah, it's a pocket. Okay, well, so there's that. Then it has this cute little kind of like lacy, I don't know how you would describe that. I'm gonna look it up on the screen. So I'm gonna show you what this does up on my screen. So see how it's got that little lacy thing right there? So you can put it like in between your pages. So there's that. And then it also comes with like a reinforcer, like a hole reinforcer right there. And you can see how they cut it out there. So if you cut holes in it. And then there's also a heart one too that you can use as like a hole reinforcer. So I thought that little set was cute, that little mini book. Looking forward to making one of those. And then, oh, their subscriptions always come with a really cute little bag. And I think that's nice because I like to use these for travel. Like when you're traveling and you want to, you know, protect some of your small things like little jewelry and stuff that you don't want to get lost. And then finally, I got one of their Halloween sets. So let's open these and see what these look like. So there's this one that says Happy Halloween, and it's just like a spider web type thing. And then this cute one that looks like it kind of has like a sugar skull with the scallop at the bottom. I wanted to get the Halloween ones because I'm afraid that they're going to sell out. So I got them now. And I got this cute cactus. And this says Halloween. And then there's this cute scalloped piece. And another sugar skull. And this cute frame with the bird and the spider. And this super cute dome with the flower. And then this really cute little bat. So yeah, wanted to share those with you guys. You can buy their past subscriptions until they're sold out. So you could go and get that travel set if it's still available. They also have a rolled flower set. That's really nice. I've made some rolled flowers on a past video on the, I did a swap called the 6x6 collection kit video. So I don't know if that'll be out before this video, but if it is, you'll be able to go and see at least one type of flower that you can make. In that video, I also made some paper tassels, and that was in April's subscription, and those paper tassels are so fun and so cute to make. I highly recommend this subscription, you guys. It's, you know, maybe just try it for a couple of months and see if you like it, or if you find you only want certain ones, you know, like maybe you only wanted April and you don't want to commit to a subscription, you can go back and buy them. The thing is that the subscription is $14.99 a month plus shipping, so I think it ends up being like maybe $19. But if you buy them on their own, they're $19.99 to buy it just by itself without the subscription and plus shipping. So I think it ends up being like $23 or $24. So it is better to buy the subscription, but again, you might not always love everything you get every month. So there's that. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you. Hope you're all having a great day. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.